Hello, folks. I am Bhavan Trakia, CEO at Zeta, a banking tech company that provides a modern, cloud-native, and fully integrated issuer processing platform for fintechs and financial institutions. Zeta's OmniStack for credit cards is a modern stack for running digital-first credit card programs with everything from processing, payments, credit core, fraud engine, rewards, back office, APIs, SDKs, and apps. For fintechs, we can also provide a partner sponsor bank for balance sheet and underwriting purposes. In today's demo, I will showcase how Zeta's credit processing stack enables FIs and fintechs to increase customer engagement, multiply their revenues, and reduce their costs. With that, let me kickstart the demo. What you see on the screen is a sample end-user credit card mobile app built on top of our platform. We should use the example of an existing customer, let's call him John, who has a credit card with your bank or fintech. And John can log into your mobile app and he can manage his cards, spends, controls, statements, shopping, all from this app. Let's begin our demo journey with our unique fraud controls. Any card that's issued on Zeta's credit card processing platform comes with a dynamic 4-digit PIN and a 3-digit CVV that automatically change every 2 minutes. So if anyone gets access to John's card, they will not be able to use it because his PIN and CVV would have changed, thus eliminating more than 90% of fraud attempts. John can tap on this card to access various other card controls. For instance, he can freeze his card at any point in time. He can turn on location shield. And if he's based in New York, for instance, somebody in California or Tokyo can't use his card, eliminating all non-domestic fraud. He can also turn on, turn off various types of transactions, such as ATM withdrawals, online transactions, international transactions, and set various limits for them. Apart from this, John can also go into his transaction history, tap on any transaction, and directly block a merchant. For instance, block Wall Street Journal, and Wall Street Journal will never be able to charge his card ever again. We've seen a significant reduction in fraud and an increase in top-of-wallet usage for credit cards issued on our platform as a result of providing these card controls. Zeta's platform also supports buy now, pay later loans out of the box. So when John makes a purchase using his card, say at Amazon, he will instantly receive a push notification confirming the transaction, but also providing him a one-click option to convert this transaction into a loan right then and there. So John can avail of a 3-month, 6-month installment loan. This integrated loan conversion feature helps you generate interest income from your transactors who otherwise would not revolve their balance. John can also convert any transaction into a loan post facto from his transaction history by tapping on that transaction, clicking on the convert to loan button, and choosing a duration, converting this transaction now into an active loan. Lastly, John can also launch popular shopping apps from within your app, say, for instance, Amazon. And when John chooses to buy something, say a camera, instead of having to fill in his card details, he can avail of a pay later loan directly from the shopping website. This works seamlessly without any integration or changes required on Amazon's side. This is how Zeta's platform helps you sell BNPL loans before, during, and after any credit card transaction to your eligible customers. Next, let's check Zeta's rich transaction statement. Here, John can see all his transactions with recognizable merchant names and logos. He can see these by date, by category, by merchant, or by family member. John can tap on any transaction and view transaction details, add notes to the transaction, photos to the transaction, and view merchant information such as phone number, location, etc., as well as raise a dispute and contact support. Your customers will spend much more time inside your app and will use your card much more often due to the features that we provide in the rich transaction statement. Lastly, let's look at our Family Hub module from where John can add various family members and manage their family expenses. So let's say John adds his son, Bob. He can choose the categories of merchants that Bob can spend money at. He can blacklist merchants, add a daily spending limit, and specify a start or end time when the card will stop working. Bob now gets his own card and app, and John from the Family Hub can see Bob's statement in real time, freeze his account. John can add his kids, spouse, parents, house help, and manage all their expenses from the Family Hub. All of these rich functionalities provided by our platform that you see in this app, including our card controls, our pay later loans, the rich statement, and the Family Hub, together serve to increase customer engagement, multiply your revenues, and reduce your costs. Let's now turn our attention to a quick look at our APIs and back office. Our credit processing stack has 100% API coverage, and these APIs not only let you configure your credit card program, including creating products, fee policies, interest policies, statement policies, delinquency policies, and so on and so forth. Everything that you saw inside the app has been built on top of our catalog of APIs, and these APIs are available to both banks and fintechs to manage the entire life cycle of your customers. Each FI and fintech also gets a comprehensive back office for your employees. For example, your call center agents can log into our support center, click on a customer, and in real time see their account information and all of their transaction information to be able to respond to customer queries in real time. Your product managers can log into our control center to create different credit card programs, to manage various credit card policies, including fee policies, delinquency policies, specifying different delinquency cycles, interest policies, and specifying various APRs, enabling your product managers to manage your credit card programs from inside our comprehensive back office. There are similar interfaces available for your marketing team, for your analytics team, and so on and so forth. That's a wrap on the demo, folks. Zeta's modern full stack platform was built over the last 7 years from ground up and powers 10 million cards across multiple countries today. By launching a credit card program on our stack, you will increase usage by providing a superior modern credit card experience, multiply revenues through our integrated BNPL offering, reduce costs by cutting fraud losses and reducing operating costs. And if you're a fintech, we can also provide a backend sponsor bank that can provide their balance sheet for your credit needs. Contact us at sales@zeta.tech, that's zeta.tech, and launch your digital first credit card program on our stack today.